Okay guys, I just want to show you some of the growth, the spring growth on some of our eucalyptus trees here. This one's mountain gum, Eucalyptus dulleri pleana. These were big trees cut down February 12th, 2021. There's the stump. And I have to keep these guys clipped back, otherwise they get out of hand. Look at those ones there. Let's go over there and take a look at them. So here's the trunk on this one. And these trees have sucked the life out of these poor Trachycarpus palms for years, so I'm glad they're gone. I'm kind of done with eucalyptus trees. As much as I like them, I just don't want them anywhere in our garden around our palm trees, because they are greedy, very greedy trees. Look at that. Oh, that thing is so fragrant. Just absolutely amazing. So this one here, I've cut everything back off of it. I'm hoping it doesn't resprout anymore. I'm hoping it's toast. That eucalyptus right there, I cut everything back in the winter time. That's a mountain gum, big one. Yeah, there's two of them there up against the palm tree. And then these guys right here, these are growing, they're sending out new growth. That's the stump of a mountain gum, big stump of a mountain gum growing back. And then this one here, you can see the growth coming off the bottom of it right here, mountain gum. And then these guys right here, growing back like gangbusters. They don't mind the cool spring weather. Those ones I grew from seed years ago. So I'm gonna have to get up there with the hedge trimmers and a ladder and cut those back. We do not want any big eucalyptus trees around our house. And the one at the back, I busted all the new growth off, so hopefully it will never grow back again. I'm hoping it's dead. All right, we got a beautiful spring day out here on Salt Spring Island. I just wanted to give you a little update on the eucalyptus trees. Some of them. We have a lot of eucalyptus trees. Lots of eucalyptus trees. No shortage of gum trees. All right, look at that. That's mountain gum and cider gum in there. And then here's one that kind of bent down in the snow. This one here is mountain gum. You see the trunk is laying on the ground right there. Crazy, huh? All right, folks. Thanks for watching. And control your eucalyptus trees. This one we had the guys cut back too. That's a snow gum. Just like I say, they really do get out of hand, and we don't want that around our house anymore, because they tend to drop branches here and there. Not all species, some species. All right, take care. Thanks for watching. Cheers.